to our channel, Charcoal Goodness, and today I am going to show you guys how to make Cuban pizza. We are going to need the main ingredients to make it. This is our way of making it. Everybody has a different way, but this is how we like to make it here. So we're going to need some milk, we're going to need all-purpose flour, we're going to need yeast, salt, and brown sugar. I already measured these out. These is 1 tablespoon of each. We're gonna be making about 6 to 7 pizzas. So we're going to be needing 4 cups of flour and 2 cups of water. What I did was that I did a little bit of milk, about 1.5 cups of milk, and the rest I filled it up with warm water. You want the water to be warm, so when you put in the yeast, it dissolves quickly. And then you wanna go ahead and you wanna wait about 10 minutes for the yeast to rise so you can begin to mix. So I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of yeast and our 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm going to give it a quick mix. And we're going to leave it alone for 10 minutes.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine.
Our water mixture has been complete, and we have here 4 cups of sifted flour. I like to sift it so there's no little balls at the end. So we're going to go ahead and put our salt into our flour. And now we begin the mixing process. So you're going to add your water and milk mixture into the flour, and you're going to mix until your hands no longer stick to the flour. I also have here some melted lard that we're going to be mixing into the flour. And towards the end, we have some vegetable oil that we're going to be mixing so that the flour can get soft and nice. Okay, let's begin.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
Okay, we have the flour here all mixed up. It's almost ready to be set aside and put to rest for 45 minutes. Now that our pizza dough is ready, we're going to put it aside for 45 minutes. We have to cover it and preferably place it in a dark place so that air and light won't get into it. And we'll be back whenever it has risen. We are going to be preparing our ingredients. We will be making a ham pizza. We're going to be making a vegetable pizza and a plain cheese pizza. So we're going to cut and prepare our vegetables now. To the cut onions, we're going to be adding a little bit of water and a little bit of vinegar to cut down some of the spice in the onion so that the flavor won't be strong and it won't overtake the pizza. And our next step is going to be dividing it into 6 or 7 pizzas. We're gonna be using a roller to roll out the dough. Put a little bit of oil on the pan, place the pizza in, put the sauce on it, our ingredients, and they're ready to go in the oven. We have preheated the oven to 450 degrees. And once the pizzas are cooked, we're gonna put them for about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on how cooked you want the crust, and they should be ready. Now I will be showing you guys how to prepare the pizzas. The best part about making the pizzas at home is that you can make them however you want, and you can choose whichever ingredients you want to put on them. In this case, we're gonna be using this pizza sauce. It's really good. We've tried different other ones. This is the one that works the best for us, so let me show you guys how we do it. Okay, now we're going to put them in the oven. Remember, the oven is to be set at 450 degrees, and you can give the pizzas from 10 to 12 minutes depending on how burnt you want your bottom to be. Go ahead, man. Hey guys, pizza is ready. We are going to go ahead and take them out and show you guys what they look like. Okay guys, here's the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed our first video. Subscribe and like for more, and let us know in the comments if you enjoyed it.